Yes, sir.
Can you give a brief introduction?
So, myself Sahil Narang. I have completed my schooling from Bhai Parmanand Vidya Mandir, and I have done my graduation in economics from Shamlal College, and currently I am pursuing MA Economics from Delhi School of Economics. Along with that, my hobbies are meditation on the lines of Suraj Shabd Yoga and bodybuilding in a gym and traveling. So.
As you're academic, you're a good student. And why you go for the armed forces?
Sir, because an inspiration from my relative who is currently serving in CISF as an assistant commandant. Sir, as I am in a second year of my college, when I got to know about the CAPF.
You can remove your head shield if you are comfortable.
No, sir, I am not comfortable. Can I?
Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir. So when I get to know about the CAPF from my relative, so I am just taking an overview of the every HE and every force and about the CAPF in complete detail. Then I get to know about the CISF and the work culture of CISF from there only. So this will motivate me and created a passion in myself for joining CAPF and armed forces.
You mentioned many times the name of CISF.
Yes, sir.
Are you only going for the CISF?
No, sir. I want to say that he is currently serving in CISF, so that will give me an inspiration for joining CAPF.
Your preferences of the forces?
So CISF has my first preference, and SSB has my second, and third is my BSF, and fourth is CRPF, and ITBP is my last preference.
Why ITBP is the last?
Sir, as I have to give the preferences, so I really do not find any kind of either I can give 100% in each and every force, but I am not able to judge which force is best, so I have given just the preference only according to myself, according to my knowledge only.
Your lack of knowledge about the forces and all that?
No, sir, according to my limited knowledge, I have given the preferences of the forces, sir.
CRPF and CISF, which you would prefer more, working in CISF or as a CRPF AC?
Sir, if I get the CISF, I will get the chance to guard the critical installations of our country. But in CRPF, I will get the chance to tackle the left-wing extremism. But in CISF also, I will get the chance to left-wing extremism. Also in other internal duties also, sir. Either it is in elections or in other parts of the country where there is a problem of law and order, the CRPF is also being deployed there. So the work culture of both the forces is best, and for me the infrastructure is also the best for both the forces.
साहिल नारंग, गगन नारंग से कुछ सिमिलरिटी है आपकी?
Sir, I am also passionate about my career, and he is also passionate about his career.
इकोनॉमिक्स आपका सब्जेक्ट रहा है?
Yes, sir.
सपोज दैट मार्केट में डिमांड काफ़ी ज़्यादा है.
Yes, sir.
और सप्लाई भी उसी अनुसार बढ़ती चली गई.
Yes, sir.
क्या उनके वैल्यू पर क्या प्रभाव पड़ेगा, इफेक्ट क्या होगा?
Sir, if the demand is more, then the price will increase. But if the supply is also more, then also the price will increase. Then a situation of inflation can be created. But if any kind of a disruption can come, then the price volatility, we can see the price volatility. But if we are going with the equilibrium, then with this we can get the equilibrium. As we know that the intersection of demand and supply is in equilibrium. If we increase the demand, then the curve will shift, and if we increase the supply curve will also shift. Then we get the equilibrium also at the other point, on the above from that point.
अभी कोविड-19 काफ़ी ज़्यादा दिल्ली में फैला हुआ था.
Yes, sir.
अभी भी बहुत ज़्यादा है. गवर्नमेंट के द्वारा जो चीज़ें प्रोवाइड की गई हैं या जो भी फैसिलिटी दी जा रही है, आप दिल्ली में रह रहे हो.
Yes, sir.
उससे आप संतुष्ट हैं?
Sir, the facilities, yes, sir. I am completely comfortable the facilities which the Indian government is giving. But I think that the public awareness is the main issue. That the public is not aware what kind of facilities they are being given. If they are aware about those facilities, then we will definitely achieve the goal for which we are giving the facilities, sir.
अभी रिसेंट में एक अमेंडमेंट हुआ है जिसके द्वारा किसी वर्ग का कोटा जो पार्लियामेंट वगैरह में होता है उसको समाप्त कर दिया है। स्टेट गवर्नमेंट में जो राज्यपाल उनको चयनित है उसको समाप्त कर दिया। वो कौन सा वर्ग है?
Sorry sir, I am not aware of
जैसे
it.
होता है ना ओबीसी वर्ग को आरक्षण, फिर से कुछ लोगों को चयनित राज्यपाल करते हैं,
Sorry sir, I am not aware of it.
इंडियन होते हैं, क्लियर नहीं है।
Sorry,
अच्छा,
sir.
लो इंटेंसिटी कॉन्फ्लिक्ट क्या होता है?
Sorry sir, I'm not.
लो इंटेंसिटी कॉन्फ्लिक्ट।
Low. Sorry sir, I am not aware about this.
You know, heard about the gig economy?
Yes sir, I have.
What is it?
So the gig economy is for the temporary workers who are being assigned the work on the contract basis. So this is a kind of a contractual system. And recently the Swiggy workers are being are protesting regarding this, that they are not getting the benefits. As far as for this, the government has taken the step, the Social Security Code 2020, in which it has recognized the gig economy and the platform workers for that, sir.
Do you think Indian economy recovering in a V shape, L shape? What is this kind of the shapes? Can you explain?
Sir, in my opinion, I think the Indian economy is recovering in a V shape.
V shape.
Yes, sir. As far as according to my knowledge, and as far as according to the business standards knowledge, they are telling it that it is recovering in a V shape, and inflation is the key risk. Because as far as the data is concerned, as we are seeing the data of sample registration survey and the various kinds of surveys, we come to know about that. Firstly, the economy is in decline, as we can see in July, June, and mainly April, May, June, July. At that point of time, our economy is in really at a decline phase. But still, after that, in August and September, we are seeing that the economy is just having a various kinds of shoots, and economy is in a rising trend, sir.
In all sectors or in some sectors?
Sir, in some sectors, but still some sectors are facing because of the disruption in supply chain and the localized lockdowns.
Yeah.
But still the situation is getting more and more good as far as the situation considered in April, sir. So in my opinion.
गगन, साहिल।
Yes, sir.
साहिल का मतलब?
Sir, the Sahil name means a guide or a leader.
I think Sahil means babes also.
Yes, sir. Oh, sorry, sir. I am not able to recall. I am so sorry, sir, for that.
आपका रोल नंबर क्या है?
Sir, 0800628.
श्योर है?
Yes, sir.
लगता है कुछ गड़बड़ है।
0800628. Sir, I think this is my roll number. I am not able completely to recall.
रिकॉल नहीं कर पा रहे।
Sorry, sir.
अभी रिसेंट में पोल्यूशन बढ़ने लगा दिल्ली में।
Yes, sir.
काफी ज्यादा चर्चा होती है जो पराली जलाई जाती है।
Yes, sir.
एक कोई ऐसा उपाय आप बता सकते हैं जिसके द्वारा पराली का भी मतलब सॉल्यूशन हो जाए और दिल्ली के पोल्यूशन का भी?
Sir, according to, in my opinion, I think according to my limited knowledge of newspapers also, I think, sir, the long-term solution is the electric vehicles, because electric vehicles are also being connected to the stubble burning. And the main solution, I think, that is that we should give incentives to the farmers. Along with that, we should also give them the stubble removing machine. That is very, very useful. As far as the EPCA concerned, Environmental Pollution Control Authority, it also states that the incentives which we are giving, I think they are telling about that the incentives should be given more in comparison to other incentives in terms of monetary benefits. But along with that, you should also focus on the stubble removing machines, because that are also very useful. As far as that are the long-term solutions, because as far as the polluter pays principle is concerned, we cannot go for the further incentives, for more incentives. So we should move to the stubble remover machines.
I'll give you a situation.
Yes, sir.
You are company commander of CRPF.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And you make an ambush.
Okay, sir.
And there is a 7-8 Naxals. And you have a chance to catch them, or you can shoot easily. But there is a threat of the landmines and all that.
Yes,
what do
sir.
you have action to take?
Sir, I
For
will.
being a company commander, it is also your duty to save your soldiers.
Sir, firstly, I will detect the landmines with the newest technologies, various kind of technologies, whichever the government will give us, or either I will quickly alert my team firstly, and along with that, I will maintain the kind of a coordination with other seniors also, that there are various landmines there. So, what is my and I will suggest them various kinds of steps. Along with them, take the various kinds of suggestions from them also, and order from them. So in my then only I will go ahead and take the charge. Thank you, sir. Yes.